Today's video is for all the online shopping lovers, or should I say, online shopping survivors. We're talking about Emma's Boutique Vancouver. Is this the next trendy gem or a total scam in disguise? Let's break it down. I started with a website. The website is having clean layout, nice photos, and decent variety. But here's what stood out. There is no business address listed on the website. Contact email is a Gmail account. And the return policy is vague at best and no clear shipping timeline. So I started asking if something goes wrong. How would I get help? I did a research about the customer reviews, and here's what I found. A few customers did receive their items and said they matched what was the advertised. Some even praised the quality of the item. But a larger chunk reported issues like wrong item sent, no item received at all, poor customer service, no tracking info, and also one person even said they had to file a PayPal dispute to get their money back. That's really a big deal, especially if you're ordering from outside Canada. Shipping and returns become way more complicated, right? So now let's pause here and go over the key red flags. Number one is, as we can see, there is no business verification. They don't show business registration or location info. Number two is limited customer engagement. Fewer comments and no replies, like this Facebook account. Number three is inconsistent reviews. Too many horror stories for comfort, right? Like what I've mentioned earlier. Lastly, vague refund or return policy. Always no protection for the buyers. And if you're seeing these signs in any online store, not just Emma's Boutique, it's always smart to dig a little deeper before buying. It will help you a lot. So, is Emma's Boutique Vancouver a total scam? I wouldn't go that far. It might be a legit business that's struggling with logistic or communication. But with so many warning signs, I cannot fully recommend it either. If you still want to order, just be cautious. Stick to small orders and safe payment methods. It will help you a lot. And if you had your own experience with Emma's Boutique, drop it in the comments. Thank you for watching.